morning!
Good morning! Today we are going shopping at the Cascais market because we feel that to eat healthy, it's best to shop where the locals will bring you their food. So that's what we're going to do today.
Yeah, we have so many local markets here in Portugal with the most beautiful produce. It's been a lot of fun just in the past few months to be able to explore different flavors and recipes and just have fun eating healthier. So we wanted to show you what that looks like here. And we stopped at a little restaurant, obviously by the Mercado, and we were going to just have our little coffees. Exhibit A.
Yes.
But upon review of the menu, we realized that, we need to stay for lunch. So we'll show you that too.
Yeah, so we're going to eat lunch and then we will go shopping. This is where we start. Come on in.
assembly begins with our salad from the ingredients from the market. It's a brand new recipe, so we don't know exactly what to expect. Sweet and tasty. And we'll add in some of this avocado. Of course, a little dressing. The dressing is it's orange juice, it's a little mustard, olive oil, freshly ground pepper, and salt. We tasted it. It was pretty good. Okay, bon appetit.
What do you think?
I think it's good.
Yeah.
It was so simple, but and all fresh. So, what do you think? Have you tried it?
Yes, it's awesome. Wow, awesome.
Nice.
Me and my salt.
Pepper.
Recommend you try this recipe because it turned out awesome. This cheese, we were turned on to this cheese on one of our little treks in Lisbon. We went to a nice little restaurant where we got a cheese plate and this was on it. And so we found it at the market. It's really good. It's very strong, but it's excellent. Yeah.
A little on the stinky side, but super creamy. The avocados are different.
They're different. They're very good though.
They're very good, but it's amazing how what we became accustomed to in the States was very different from what we had in Ecuador.
Right.
And now here, they're even another.
They are very different.
It was fun at the market though today, because obviously we picked out the mandarins and the lettuce and these ingredients, but to see like the Brussels sprouts, I mean, how fun to. And when I asked her about them, she goes, "They are fresh. Like they're." I wanted to grab them, but I know that I'd pace myself. But the idea of being able to do the roasted Brussels sprouts next time. The carrots look really good. I have a recipe I want to try for roasted carrots, and well, surprise. We'll see if they're any good. So and they'll be beautiful. So we do the roasted carrots, and then I found a roasted broccoli recipe. I mean, I have all these recipes that I want to try.
Okay.
Now that we see all these things, it's like it just inspires your mind. Oh.
I'm not the cook, but I'll eat it.
And that's what I need. If I make it, I don't want to be stuck with all the leftovers.